Across the U.S., school principals and administrators spend countless hours on paperwork to document harassment, intimidation, and bullying incidents. Filling forms, scanning evidence, organizing timelines, and submitting reports to the state or education department is manual, tedious, and error-prone. There is no robust system to manage dynamic workflows, track progress, or ensure complete compliance. Incidents get delayed, documentation is inconsistent, and reporting to the state becomes a daunting administrative burden. All while students need timely support. Meet HIBRES, a fully compliant HIB reporting and case management platform designed to replace paperwork with a centralized, automated, legally aligned workflow. It streamlines reporting, accelerates investigations, ensures mandated documentation, and keeps all stakeholders connected through structured processes and an easy-to-use mobile app. HIBRES delivers role-based experiences for students, parents, teachers, principals, and district administrators, and it is completely customizable. Every action, from reporting to investigation to resolution, follows the required legal sequence, mandated timelines, and documentation standards under HIB laws. Nothing falls through the cracks. Every step is traceable. Students can instantly submit incidents with quick reporting, selecting incident type, writing descriptions, and uploading photos, videos, or screenshots. Anonymous reporting is supported where district policy allows. Each submission receives a timestamp and case ID, ensuring schools meet same-day or next-day reporting rules. Parents complete a clear, legally compliant form that uses HIB definitions and required fields. Teachers can document incidents, save drafts, and add context using structured templates that ensure all required investigative details are captured accurately. Principals receive a consolidated dashboard to review cases, assign investigators, track state-mandated deadlines, and complete required follow-ups. Automated alerts ensure investigations stay within compliance timelines, preventing overdue cases or missed actions. Administrators manage schools, users, policies, and state-required forms, including Form 338 and district-specific templates. They can configure dynamic workflows, defining who receives incidents, who reviews them, and how approvals are routed. Audit logs track every action for full legal audit readiness during district reviews or annual state reporting. HIBRES includes a powerful reporting module that allows administrators to compile, export, and submit official reports directly to the education department. Reports can be generated as PDF, sent via email, or routed automatically through the workflow engine. The platform keeps a full history of what was submitted, when, by whom, and with which attachments, ensuring precise compliance tracking. Leaders gain end-to-end visibility with dashboards showing reporting trends, hotspots, repeat offenders, common locations, and investigation to resolution timelines. Insights help improve prevention efforts, monitor compliance, and strengthen overall school climate. HIBRES is built on a compliance-first foundation. Every step is time-stamped, traceable, and aligned with HIB laws. This reduces legal risk, increases transparency, and ensures consistent, timely investigations. Future opportunities include SIS integration, behavioral analytics, and predictive safety indicators. The results are clear: faster reporting, compliant investigations, fewer repeat incidents, and stronger trust between schools, families, and communities. Most importantly, students feel safer. With compliance, transparency, and compassion at its core, HIBRES ensures no report is missed, no regulation overlooked, and no child goes unsupported. Together, we help districts create safer, stronger, and fully aligned school environments. Thank you for watching.